Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about some fees coming back on Boost Mobile and silence on advertisement and some other stuff. So this video is brought to you by bestmvno.com. Check them out, very informative. Like I said, they just do it really good. So check them out, bestmvno.com, like I said. And also Wave 7, that's where most of this information actually comes from. So let's get into it, guys. I'll kind of skim through this and give you my personal opinions. Like I said, sorry the webcam's not working. I might have to get a new one. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'll try to fix it. But it says Boost Mobile is once again making major changes. So like I said, Wave 7 Research, they're a really good company that does research on different like carriers and stuff like that. Noted that basically Boost Mobile will start charging taxes and fees again. So it will no longer be included in Boost Mobile's advertised prices. So you know how I think Cricket and Metro by T-Mobile, they offer taxes and fees included. It was mainly Metro by T-Mobile or Metro PCS, the way we used to know it back in the day. And then Boost Mobile, especially once it was under Sprint's kind of control, did start doing taxes and fees included. So if the bill was $35 a month, it'll be $35, no taxes. It'll just be a flat $35, and a lot of people like that. Now I'll kind of give you, like I said, my opinions why I think this is coming back in just a little bit. So it says, even if you go to the FAQs or the frequently asked questions, it now states, so Boost Mobile has changes in their, frequently asked questions that tax and fees are extra. However, some customers who activate service in store may receive Boost tax inclusive plans. So that means if you go to a Boost Mobile store and you activate, taxes and fees will be included. Even though it's saying that it's not clear if this plan is different. It says Boost in-store tax inclusive plans is a reference to, but Wave 7 Research believes taxes and fees are weeks away from also being charged in store. And like I said, I've talked to a couple store reps, and they haven't said that it will be included in store just yet. They don't know. But from what they know, what they've been told, and what we've been told is no, that if you come to a store, you won't be charged. You will, if you sign up basically at a store, you won't get charged taxes and fees. That will still be included. And you will see here that Best MVNO did the same thing. So it says, if a current customer on Boost Mobile leaves, or they're asking for, if someone would leave some comments and stuff, but like I said, they updated this on June 15th. I believe that's June 15th. I don't know. That's 6115, whatever. It says a Boost Mobile rep has denied that taxes will be charged in store, but does not dispute that they'll be charged for plan activations online. So if you go through online or over the phone and you order a phone through Boost Mobile and pay for a plan, you will be charged those taxes and fees. But if you go to a store, you will get those fees basically waived. And that will be taxes included with those plans. It says Boost Mobile also made a number of other significant number changes starting month. Remember, like I'll tell you guys, the Shrinkit plan and the family plans have been discontinued. Of course, you will get grandfathered into that. So that's kind of a shame, since Boost Mobile, like I said, it really started with the whole Shrinkit plan. Like I said, when I started with Boost Mobile, I think it was $60, and after, I don't know, a year and a half or 2 years, you could get it down to like $35 a month, which was pretty good. So it is what it is. Also, another thing that it's kind of a shame is that I use actually sometimes is Boost Mobile does have a $10 a month plan. For new customers only, you can sign up, get for $10, you get 1 gigabyte. It used to be, I think, 2 or 3, sometimes through the promotional deals. There seems like they're discontinuing that as well. It says Boost Mobile is also likely to discontinue its $10 a month plan. The $10 a month plan is for new customers only that either bring their own device or purchase one at full retail price. So if you bought a phone at full retail price, or you had your own phone, should I say, for $10 a month, which is nice, got you unlimited talk and text, but only gave you 1 gig of hard capped data. That means after you ran through that 1 gig of data, that was basically it. It says currently a data only plan is only available to subscribers who are eligible for the government's programs, of course. So that kind of, it is what it is. And then, of course, from May 21st to June 10th, Boost Mobile was trialing an auto pay discount. Certain customers were messaged by Boost Mobile for a specific offer for a $5 a month auto pay discount for up to 12 months. Of course, another thing that they're saying here is, like I said, I'm just going to break it down to you real quick, is that Boost Mobile, honestly, I haven't seen much commercials from Boost Mobile, and this kind of explains it. They said that they haven't really had any commercials since April 18th. And basically what they're saying here is that they're probably waiting for all the changes to be implemented, and probably they're doing a lot of changes in the back end, so they probably want to make sure that they get the correct promotions and deals out there before they just kind of say, hey, taxes and fees are all included, and then boom, it comes out that they're not. So like I said, a lot of these changes I think are coming from Dish Network. Like I said, Dish Network bought Boost Mobile. I mean, they had to build their own 5G network, and it's going to cost a lot of money. So I mean, all these changes, I think it's hopefully they're using that money to go towards the 5G network. So, and maybe once the 5G network is up and running, they'll waive all those fees and go back to normal, because Boost Mobile, honestly, it's been going down. Compared to its competitors like Cricket or Metro, it is what it is, and you can't do much about it. But they do need to come back out and advertise, because that brings new customers over. I think the latest celebrity that Boost Mobile got was Pitbull. I used to watch his commercials, just when he's on the airplane, so all that cool stuff. So, and there's a couple of promos online. So it says new Boost Mobile customers can get a $50 plan with 35 gigs of high-speed data before throttling to 2G for just $35 a month for the first month of service. So if you sign up for Boost Mobile, your first month it's going to be $50. It would be normally, but with this promotion, you get it for $35 of service per month. So like I said, that's only your first month, guys. After that, it will jump back up to $50 a month. It says the plan also includes unlimited talk, text, and 12 gigs of data. Can be used for mobile hotspot. Additional lines at $30 a month. So it's pretty cool. This is the other plan that they're offering. Is Boost Mobile is also offering a $25 plan for $15 for 1 month of for new customers. So instead of being $25, guys, you get it for $15. That included unlimited talking, text, and 5 gigs of high-speed data. Data can be used for a hotspot, and you can sign up for that deal. So lots of things, but like I said, basically to break it down is taxes and fees are no longer going to be included if you order through boostmobile.com or through the phone. But if you go to a store, they are at least not yet. Like I said, they might tell you something like, no, we're not going to charge it, but things can change. But as of right now, if you go into a store and sign up, you won't get charged taxes and fees for the plan. So like I said here, a Boost Mobile rep has denied that taxes will be charged in stores. So as of right now, like I said, you won't get charged taxes at the store. That can be a good thing. I mean, they're probably trying to bring customers over to the store, especially now that everything's kind of opening up due to, the pandemic and stuff like that. Maybe it's a good time for business to pick up in your local store. And maybe that's what they're doing, so who knows. But thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these changes. Are you happy about it? Are you sad? What are you going to be missing the most once some of these plans leave?